Morning YouTube Woobers, it's Tuesday. So these are my watt meters for the wind turbines. First, it's very because I could figure out which ones are which. But really haven't had any good winds yet. These are more for winter, as I've said. So, if you might have noticed before, I was using these to hold two of these up there. No comments on the fact that it looks crooked. Well, it all depends on how you hold the camera, I think. Yeah, well, teetering over these with this one-handed, and then a drill to screw it in. You get the picture. So at any rate, I opted to use a piece of copper pipe because I had that. So we have 300 times 4. Well, that's only 1200. Oh, 6. So 1800 watts for 24 volts. So that'll pretty much cover my turbines unless both of them are cranking at the same time. Which probably mean that I'll be on battery then. And then of course the charge inverters. This one here I don't have panels hooked up, so I probably should just disconnect it until I get panels. There's no really point to having the solar boost on there if I don't have panels. So that's easy enough. I take the knife switch and then I take off that connection to the fuse. The only thing left in here that I wish to do is I want to be able to do my wind turbines, which is over here, onto grid tie. So I have this idea about using 2 contactor relays, and I will feed this into both, and then one will energize with when the AC is, when the grid is up, and that will divert the wind turbine over to the grid tie inverter, which I haven't chosen yet. And then the other contactor, when it's de-energized, will send it over to the battery bank. Some people use a capacitor, a large capacitor on the output off of the these. So you run the 3 wires into this thing after it comes out of the main contactor, just one of them, and then that will be 24 volts. Nope, that'll be DC. It's still whatever the voltage out of the thing is from 0 to its maximum, which I think is 60 volts, but I'm not sure. And run that into a grid tie. Some people run it to 2 different grid ties for each level. So that part I haven't really figured out yet. Whether I should run it through a voltage regulator to control the voltage, or just put it onto a big capacitor to reduce the spikes. I'm not there yet. It's design in progress. It'll probably be more winter. Got a little more work to do in the battery room, in the power room, so that I can run both sides of the house individually off of an inverter. And then other than that, I'm pretty much on my way here. So that's it for now. Ta-ta.